At first glance, everything seems okay, but when you look closer, some names have extra spaces. Some regions are written in uppercase and others lowercase. And some products have inconsistent formatting. To a human, this looks the same, but to a computer, they are completely different values. So let's fix it. Hello there, welcome to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence one tool at a time. Today we are going to be learning how to clean messy data using Python in Excel. So we are going to load this into a data frame. We go to the formulas bar, then we'll start Python, df, which is for data frame, and then load our range. Control commit, control enter. Then we have our data frame ready to go. Now we have our data frame. We are ready to clean it. First, we are going to remove the extra spaces. So I'm just going to click into the cell and I'll insert Python. I'll go ahead and paste the formula. So this will remove the extra spaces we have, especially number 5 and number 8. So when I hit Control Enter, okay, and when I got it, you can see they are all aligned in the same line. So this is how you strip extra spaces. In the region column, you see that the cases are not consistent. So we are going to fix it. Let's go ahead and insert Python and then paste our formulas, then commit, control, enter. Python works as magic, and here you have it, the region. They are now consistent, okay? So it's better. What we used is str.title. This makes it, changes the cases to proper cases rather than upper and lower cases. Now let's do the same thing for products. We insert our Python, paste our formulas, and Control Enter. And Python does a spin. You can see the product is consistent. Boom. Everything is in the proper case. Now, this follows the same formatting and it makes reporting and grouping much more reliable. Text issues are some of the hardest problems to spot. A report might show, like in the region now, East in capital letters, and another East in proper letters, and another East in small letters. These three categories are three separate things in the eyes of your system, even though they are the same thing. So, cleaning text helps ensure that your analysis is accurate. Now, our data is cleaner, more consistent, and easier to analyze. In the next video, we'll learn how to work with time data using Python in Excel. If you're enjoying this Python in Excel series, please do subscribe to Prompt and Process. One tool, one prompt, one process at a time. Keep learning. Thank you.